Kwame Nkrumah time na ni bie ni wiase enso otimi bie factories otimi bie companies otimi and ni bie technology is the scientific method of making work easier and faster. And machine Kwame Nkrumah time near the 5 days better 2,000 bloggers. I see everything the 5 days better 1 million blog because of technology. My Jimmy SN Reno. And the brony crum no da ye koya nim na hotel doors. Bibini dia ye koya nim na fe na ahochire doors be company phone na Jimmy. I come here abia wan we ni ania nipa da se ni ko fa abo free bibini crum enso ni crum no traffic. Se si akocha amasaman na abu akwa ne ayi ko he poku ase. My Jimmy says me jam. No, I'm going to work on you hard. I will press you all to learn sense. And this amose munye kroni area. Menyamo na wo akofo ado woni ayi Mahama. Moti wo mo obi a former president Mahama wo be di president dan ti nyansa da utim. Na mo ye campaign ahodo akese na mo sisa dom na mo de mo magudam na mo di Ghana fo abro ade na mo koye campaign man sisa mo mani akire mo nso anya corona ni bi. Kafom ni pare saniko. Kafom gata bia ni ansuso bia betofom bia bayira. Siafo makoche corona na magana fo ni nyina amagana fo ni nyina wi amuwie amabetna na the protocol of one kwasi aburofo nyanu ne hia munye kuro ni ye. Enipa gufie yenya adwumanye o na akohwe obi krom ayi benya V8 ba ko pesika betimi asi school dan na ni krom enkrate form ebi de form apemfo wo no mugu form no hospital bed obi kura nyantoma na odi ase form me se bibini ya wo bibini krom a automatically ese heaven no ho ampa so kobi because wo ba wi ase no kura wo bresa akopem tamade be wu afiri ase what you say. Yeah, just say, why ya crown crow what 3 years no? And which in 2 pie chance in glass blood, Swana or Copaya. You bet Dumua, maybe Sakwan say, ya walk crowd, Crumada, see there. Minimum no yesterday, min carrying channel. Why a Ghana glass and corn. And the Ghana for one, Omo Magimino. Ah, Mosimu Dimatana previews, you defeat. And you better be mammy, in that previews because no amount of lies can deceive. I can overtake truth. Opa chantrochi obia for 20 years. Nada property no kre. Watching no kre afi okabi ohun kra na ho ye ne. Until the truth will always defeat lies, which is why I'm the greatest and will still be the greatest. Ama Akufo-Addo Mahama obia slome. Ministers and Kwasiafo ni MPs woni na obia slome because the messages get straight to them. And they are afraid of me because of the truth. And the truth shall set you free. Oh my Jimmy. Kwasiafo na no ma daddy. Una mo amonti ase na no nim obu dim panifo atem. Na no ya they have proved to you every 1 minute we are Bibles na mo akọ. Parliament mu hu de si ye. Say even enkukoma. Kura na wo de omagu nkukọ buo mu no. Omo nkontokwa. Enkukoma o. Kafam nipa de sani krom. No nko na atagwo. Apprenti na and I perform mantem na matrasi free ni ade glass in corner. So my friend, I'm not going to leave them because most me say acha 10 years time 20 years time na Akufo-Addo oti acha konyam ti said the president Kufuor ba JJ Lawrence ayi no ayi na not ya konyam why am mere wo obewu enti busi a wogi ni nyina next 15 years because you can never deceive nature. It's realistic fact. Obenyini. What you say? Obenyini. Enti yentra ho no mu nyina manyini no mu. That when ebe ye kroni ye da ben and na kroni be ye who is coming to develop the grow am obi krom hwem nipa de sani krom hwe we nyina kwan no nipa na ye boys ye gu am na mfo ne omo se omo ye omo solve problem e ye nipa just give instructions leader just talk solution keke ukasa kasa keke Akufo-Addo kasa keke o kasa keke say she said the ultimate kasa say obi anko be club no obi amie we a leader you don't do anything ya na akoso no ma no just talk kasa keke say sika ye je no roadway ti sika ya je na every na koye ni bio ye de koye Ghana school nyina every na koye de koto ball aka besiwo ti said ye bisi every 1 minute bi nipa na team nipa na de ball aka na besiwo ye de koto just talk keke sika ni ye de to ball aka ye employ Ghana for nyina we are creating 2 million jobs for Ghanaians. Just talk, leader. It's your job to talk. Talk solution. My Jimmy Dodo. Nipa na tebo la kan more deba. Every 1 minute we are bola kan mu. Bola BSC mantamu bi abesane ne ya. Ocha, just talk keke o. Nya una wo koye adwuma no. The people are there. They need jobs. They are talking. They are shouting. We need jobs. We need jobs. Anunti de bi omunam so ko wo Libya kwa so Jimmy. Munwini na mkotena parliament wa. What do you think about? What do you think? My Jimmy Dodo he nipa da sani ko mudi agura beda fom. Ana me na ho kire ho fom. Ka kwan na down ho fom. Snow na ato na broni apia snow ni nyina afiri akoboa no. Ewo ayika kwan no ba bi anka bibini de gata beto no. Kromu agata ni ho de ato ano. Eniye eno de ato no no abi spaces atum se be ya nipa benya chance awuram. Na every 1 minute bi ode bola ka na mu sisa bola. Every 1 minute bi abola ka na mu sisa bola. Nipa na eye. Enti just talk. Say road work car ba ko kofa ba 5 billion 1 billion sikana moji na free na koye nibio ye gi sikana e kroni every kwan bia wa bia wa we kwan bia wa bia wa we the minister bia and use V8 that dana na mahama tam ni use no ana V8 that dana oba ya otomam no eno na obi an use what you say every 1 minute bia aban ba ministers no you nyina di because obi anya hwe wo ho one kasa woman instructions ebe ya adwuma you don't need no minister to so ahead and Jimmy Kwa ekwa bi da bi wa we yentra ma munyimi sanko what you say because me se bosia amogene na bia we are going to suffer for it anybody that send come here from just give instructions kasa keke every nekosikani nyina mogia ya de beye sei asofofo na mo so ya azano kwahia krom ha mesi suno ebeto sesi ameno kasa firo bi o wa brochire na bisa ne say on check dabe na suno be sato dabe na wi abeto o mia ne phone so broni be ma days ni nyina up to be 6 months de be si bia broni be ka kire o phone so e kwa bia da bia wa we de be si bia so nyame nkasa nkire broni da sino beto time beto nyina be hu no ofon so atama wi abebo time ansuo beto nyina be hu ofon so nyame nkasa nkire broni da enso onim ne nyina bisa obi otikroma bia se megu ne fon so a ensuo bebo ma ni nyina broni be hu nyame nkasa nkire obi amunya jimi no na munwu asone no mfa me bia company mesi nhira bia ni wi ase so chi kusona no pakọ adwuma na boso me dia katia. That is the only blessing in the world. That is the only blessing in the world. Dia ka bia beje abura mu nso beje abaifo nko ni nyina enkwasase me doesn't work like that, man. It's all lies, man. I gotta tell you the truth. Shafam ni pada saniko glass in kwana kufoma glass basia me metu me mom paida. I can use myself as an example. I've never prayed before, but I'm a millionaire, man. I try to live simple life, but I'm still a millionaire. I have the experience in Ghana. Natina Ghana, actually come, I struggle, and I know Ghana more than any president, any leader, because me see the chinim classic, it could be any Ghana Mimuramuda. I did that market center. I've been hustling in Ghana, and I've come to somebody's land. It could have been Frimo. I've been a successful man. I've been a successful man. And the minimum cash you can easily better Jonas Mintimento. Samson will be a take chrome ha when you mean only me answer can't be any yasi or to chrome and because the system is working 24/7. The system itself will make you rich. Every 1 minute to be arrived. Every 1 minute to be arrived. Make us a new chapter at the Abessa. Charlie, I gotta go, man. Aye, Kakranam the Abremunaye. Your ass won't you know when you saw Nanti Abebre or Dinkonya, when na Abu no dia you no dia Nkunya, special way, Nasufi, and Uncle 40 Tesson, and he know that that's near you, and he special way of Nkunya, and himself Bebre, and a socket in a Sambo Bobo, Almiana, charge your phone free, but be a number free Wi Fi, but be a charge your phone free, and himself Nanti Abebre, but here Kunya Swatna. tena se free we nyina a special way of akonya ne bio tena so free we nyina special way of akonya tena so free onim se nipa da sani nanti obebre na hwefom nipa da sani krom hwefom chale nyame hwe obi bia se otie no kre enka say straight up me do obi bia se obetie no kre eni mu sia nyame hwe obi bia ade bia o wiase bia nipa na ye nyame free wie mu meye hwe ma broni mene nete ni krom boys ni nyina me namfo me ne yire me ne ba me ne ba bia ntida bia me nam sa every na kokra sisi ase na be ya mbaji adinti me wo companies all the nationwide and I say that don't kobo shows I was nationwide you took quite kobo show tambia anti na to da mitimi to kwose ano anti esi ano ye ko ba bia be kwa kobo show ni ade nyina me twa de abremu I say to say that don't nyum bia ba bia mo hye se da be ya me converse no say on future African stars na ono so be yin akoma mu e dia future am won na me che no because say da be ya Ghana will get international recognition because the Panifo the any two so omo disappoint here that they are all useless. What you say nti e o say here na o say ye bibi and they support here ho na me sure bibia me do bibia say have a beautiful weekend, stay blessed, bye bye. The system is working 24/7. Now me catch you say glass in corner and go for them glass in corner.